doon na napansin namin may swimming pool na sa baba. No? Pero yung still yung mga ano po ng mga bahay yung pa rin yung dati.
This is you can do in your free time, not now. Now, in your free time, behind the pine trees, the way to the right, you will see the olive tree that was planted by Pope John Paul II, and the way to the left is the way to see us. That's right. Back also to the exit.
Most visited place.
Right. Now, over there, here we have this beautiful sculpture. We call the serpent of present.
I saw it.
This one actually was made by Italian artists. And this one is connecting the Old Testament to the New Testament. You see the snake around? Yeah. It's really the snake that was created by Moses in the wilderness. And the cross above which Jesus was crucified. So that's why this one is connecting the Old Testament with the New Testament. So Moses' time and Jesus' time. And it's sign of healing actually, since Moses' time. That's why most of the pharmacists and the doctors in the world are using this sign as auction logo.
Okay.
Most of the pharmacists and the doctors are using this one. So sign of healing since Moses' time. Now we'll go to the viewpoint, see the place where Moses saw the promised land. A few minutes, and then we'll go to the mass. Now here, you can see the Dead Sea from here, the lowest point on earth. Look at the Dead Sea. Dead Sea, the lowest point on earth, 400 meters, that one. 400 meters below sea level. Now the mountains on the other side of Dead Sea definitely is Israel side. On the top of the mountain usually we can see Jerusalem. Even at night time we can see the lights of Al-Aqsa Mosque. Cars moving also we can see it at night time. Now you see the green part over there? Jordan Valley area. Now the Jordan River where Jesus was baptized is located in the middle of the green part. Behind the green part all the way to the end you see the city, is the city over there. That one is Jericho. After the green part you can see the city actually. Yeah, you cannot see the river from here.
I know.
But you can see the area where the river is located at. You see the Jordan, the green part?
Mga kabotsyog, nandito pa rin tayo sa Jordan. Day 2 natin. So nandito tayo sa Treasury. Magandang lugar. Guys, ang masasabi ko lang kailangan makapunta rin kayo dito sa Jordan. Napakaganda. Marami kayong Aman. This is Aman Jordan. Napakadami ninyong makikita, napakadami. Ma-appreciate ninyo yung nilikha ni Lord. Yung kanyang pinagdaan, dinaanan niya. Nakita namin mga dinaanan niya. Yung nakaraang video natin, yung kay Moises, yung bato na in-instruct niya para lumabas ang tubig. So now nandito tayo sa isa sa mga temple. Temple to alam ko parang temple to treasury. Treasury kung tawagin nila, treasury. No? So napakaganda. Mga rock formation. Diba? So guys, abangan po natin yung mga susunod nating video. Dito lang po sa ating Kabotsyog TV.